Hey Dreamers, this is Mike, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the SVG all-in-one files in Design Space. So I'm going to go ahead and start like normal, and I'm going to upload an image and browse. And I'm going to navigate to the SVG all-in-one folder, and I'm going to go into the Cricut Silhouette folder. And here you're going to see two versions. You're going to see the dashed version and the solid score version. We generally use the dashed version for the 3D objects, and we generally use the solid for cards and envelopes. All right, so for this example, I'm going to go ahead and pull in the dashed, and I'm going to hit open and upload. And I'm going to select that and add that to my canvas. And now by default, everything is grouped together. So I'm going to need to come over here to the layers panel and ungroup it one time. But everything is still selected. So I need to click somewhere off of the elements so that nothing is selected. And now I can go ahead and move my items around freely. And then you can go ahead and go through and attach your score lines. That one needs to be flattened because that is an array printed cut. And that project is ready to go. At this point, you would either make it or save your project. So let's go ahead and bring in the solid score line really quickly. So let's upload image, browse. This time I'm going to select the solid and upload. I'm going to select it and add it to my canvas. Again, it is grouped. I need to ungroup it, click elsewhere off the mat, and now I can go ahead and first I need to change my score lines to score, and then I can attach. Let's do this one, score lines, score, attach. And we're going to go through here and do this to all of them. That one just needs to be attached. And this is the last one. This one needs to be flattened because it is a print thin cut. And again, now this project is ready to go. All right, so let me show you how to do this using the iPad. So we're going to go upload, browse files, and again, we're going to go into the all-in-one folder, Cricut Silhouette. We're going to grab the dashed score lines, and we are required to give it a name on the mobile version, so we're going to name it dashed and save it. All right, I'm just going to zoom out by pinching, and you're going to see again everything is grouped together. With the item highlighted, you're going to go ahead and click ungroup, and it's going to ungroup it once. And now you need to select somewhere off the canvas so that nothing is selected. And now you can go ahead and bring in or move your items around. So now you need to attach them. You would click Actions and then Attach. And then you would bring the next one down, Attach. Let's bring this one down, Attach. And I believe the last one was this one, which is a print thin cut, which is a flatten. So that file would be ready to go. So let me go ahead and show you this using the solid score line. All right, so this time we're going to grab the solid and we're going to name it solid, save. Again, we're just going to select it so that it's highlighted. We're going to ungroup it one time and then click away somewhere. Now these are going to be a little bit different because we do need to change the score lines to score. So I'm going to zoom out a little bit further. I'm going to turn my layers panel on. And we're going to, let me zoom out a little bit further here. So we're going to work on each individual element. So first of all, I'm going to deselect it by clicking off the mat. And I'm working on the envelope. So I'm just going to select the score layer here. So I've selected in the layers panel. I'm going to go down here now to edit, to the left, basic cut, and change that to a score and apply. And now I'm just going to make sure that this whole thing is like highlighted and attach. All right. And I'm going to go pull this one down and find it over here in the panels. I'm going to deselect everything. Then I'm just going to select that layer. I am going to do edit, basic operation, and change that to score. Apply. I'm going to make sure that that entire thing is selected and attached. Okay. This just needs to be attached. And last thing on this project was just doing the print then cut, which is a flatten. And so then this project would be ready to go.